Roland FP-30X stands out as an exceptional choice for a beginner digital piano in 2024. Esteemed by both novice and more experienced players, this model elevates the original FP-30 with its enhanced features. It now offers a polyphony of 256 notes, doubling its predecessor's capability, and enriches your playing experience with 12 distinct piano sounds and 20 electric piano variations, compared to the FP-30's more limited selection. One of the most notable attributes of the FP-30X is its sleek, compact design, making it a perfect fit for any room or studio space. Beyond its attractive appearance, the piano is also budget-friendly, showcasing a blend of elegance and practicality without compromising on quality. The authentic touch and tone it delivers mirrors the experience of playing on an acoustic piano, thanks to its sophisticated keyboard action and sound technology. The build of the FP-30X radiates a minimalist charm while ensuring durability. Its keys are finished to resemble ivory, enhancing the tactile sensation and overall aesthetic appeal. The user interface, positioned for easy access, simplifies operation, allowing players to focus on the music. Diving deeper into the upgrades from the FP-30, the boosted polyphony in the FP-30X significantly broadens the instrument's sonic range. The improvement means richer, more complex chords and a more nuanced sound texture. Available in both classic black and sleek white, it can complement any setting. Key to the FP-30X's appeal is the PHA-4 keyboard, which closely simulates the feel of acoustic piano keys. This feature, along with the triple sensor technology, captures every detail of your performance, catering to various playing dynamics and styles. Players can choose from 5 sensitivity levels to match the piano's response to their personal touch. Good stuff!